Hey, good morning, y'all. I'm Lori with Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lindsay with Always Yarn First.
Today we are doing the March 2024 Sock Yarn Society unboxing. So as always, they come in our gorgeous bags. And this month is special. This is so special and I'm so in love with it. And here's why.
Well,
because it's very cohesive for starters.
As always, though.
Yes.
All right. I Beg Your Garden.
I love a clever name. It's so good.
I love the plants on here, so you can guess, the theme here.
Yes.
I even did my nails green because I knew
that's awesome.
It was going to be green today. So
that's awesome.
Here is, I get the Yummy High Twist. So this is 85-15 merino nylon.
399 yards.
Squishy. And there's a mini.
It's also high twist. So if you ordered plush, you're getting a plush mini. Mm-hmm. If you're ordering a Yummy Sparkle, you're getting Yummy Sparkle. Those are 20 grams with 87 yards.
So here is, I'm going to get a little closer. Yep.
I love the leaves.
Yeah.
And so I will also point out that those leaves, there are two different colors, so we mixed those up. Okay. So it's all mix and match. But hello, how good is the Arkansas Sparkle?
And then there's stitch toppers.
Needle tip toppers.
Tip toppers, stitch toppers.
Yes.
And these are in different colors too, right?
They are. There's 3 different colors.
And then
green tea. You have to have green tea with a green theme.
Garden Grove Green. Did they name that just for you?
No, but I specifically chose it because it was green.
And I love this. You've done something similar to this before.
I have. As y'all know, I love flowers. So while these have echinacea on them, embedded in this is seeds, and you just put this thing right in dirt, and then you'll get to watch your seeds germinate and become flowers.
I love that.
These are wildflowers.
I love that.
I love it too.
So the last thing.
This is special.
This is special, and I have made my first sock pattern.
Look how beautiful it is.
This is so tall, it's like taller than the mannequin.
It is so beyond
look,
beautiful.
You're going to pretty much be able to do the same thing I did.
Well, I made the color a little bit different, but I did give everybody the same white mini because here's what the name of the pattern is called, Boots with the Fern. And this makes me feel like there's fur at the top. So that's why everybody's getting a white mini, because we want you to be able to make socks with this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fern pattern going up the back.
So I have to say, because I have to give props to Lori, because I have said this before, but I never ever thought I'd be a pattern maker. But Lori,
don't cry.
I'm trying not to. Lori has inspired me and pressured me in the best way possible.
I call it encouraging.
There you go. To do this. And so this would not be possible without Lori. And then the fact that she wanted to feature it in her box is like beyond words. So
y'all, do Lindsay a favor and please make a pattern page on Ravelry so that she gets a lot of projects on her pattern. That, believe it or not, helps people sell their patterns. So y'all can help Lindsay out too by doing that. Yeah. So please go on and do that. And I believe that we have I was hoping that we did that, and I think we forgot to say that on the card.
Well, that's okay. There will be a Ravelry code on here. I'm not going to show it. Because I wanted the subscribers to have first dibs of this, it will not be on Ravelry till March 5th. So you may get your box before it's available on Ravelry. But March 5th, you should be able to use your code and then download it.
We just want to make sure everybody who's getting a Sock Yarn Society gets it arriving at their home, and then she releases the code. So, because we don't want anybody to pay extra for the pattern because it's being included in this. But look how pretty the picture is. Y'all, I laid on my belly on the floor to take that picture.
And I mean, there's one more picture in here. our good friend Andrea made these socks.
Yes.
And I think they're beautiful too.
Yeah, like that.
Yep.
They're so pretty.
And all of my testers said they fit perfectly. And also thanks to Lori again, because I have always been a cuff down knitter. This is toe up because I knew I wanted the fern to go up the back of the leg. This, I imagine this like if you have cute little like boot shoes and then the pattern goes up the back.
This is so pretty.
So they're, unlike most patterns, they're not in the front. It's just on the back. And
I also love how the back is elevated a little bit. I think that's so pretty. And you usually don't see that.
Yeah.
See how it goes up? I just think it's so beautiful. This is such a gorgeous, and I will say I love the toe.
yeah, so that's where I was going, is because I really wanted to do a toe up sock, but I have tried toe up socks before, and every method I had tried, I hated them. But Lori actually gave me her method. So her method for the decorative toe is in the pattern.
I wrote
and
that.
It is perfection. And my
Thank
testers,
you.
my testers, even there was a few that said they had never done toe up socks, and they agreed that they're like, I really like this toe.
Well, it's important to me because I like a very well-rounded toe. I do
Yeah.
not like it to stop. There's nothing wrong with that type. It's not my personal preference.
Right.
So I don't like this. I like it to be like this,
Right.
not like this.
And it really made sense to me because how many stitches you have on your needles from cast on
Yes.
is pretty much exactly mirrors what I do when I do cuff down.
Yes. The other thing about that is you always know where you are. So if you're doing, normally if you're doing a toe up sock, you increase one row and then you knit
Right.
one row.
Right.
With my method, you know where you are because of what you're doing. And it's all in the pattern.
Yeah.
So y'all will be getting that. And I hope you really enjoy that.
Yes, I do too. Thank you, friend.
My pleasure, y'all. We love spending time with you, and I love being able to do an unboxing with y'all every month. And I just feel like the 2024 box just gets better and better and better. It's so color cohesive, and
I think it, like with the tonals too, not that you weren't matching it great the last 2 years, you were,
Yes.
but it's so easy to really match things when you have a tonal color to go off of. I mean,
And
I think
I
they've been phenomenal.
And I don't know if you know this or not, but I have the entire year already planned out. I know what color every single month is going to be, which is so nice for me because then it's easy for me to get the extras that go in it.
Yeah.
And I scour every place to find really nice extras that go in it.
And on theme, like everything.
Jessica's
on
making these.
theme.
Jessica does those for us, and then we always pick out a tee that goes with the theme. Y'all, next month, I cannot wait for you to get next month.
Yeah.
Just as a hint, I can't wait.
I mean, she says that every month, and it's always perfection.
I love it.
It's always perfection.
Next month is going to be super cool, though.
So.
But thank y'all so much for joining us. We love unboxing the Sock Yarn Society with you, and I believe we will see you next month.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.